Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about some free Mac apps I regret not using sooner. So let's get started. So the first one is the Today app. The Today app on macOS typically refers to the Today view in the notification center. This feature provides a summary of widget and information that you can customize to show various kinds of data such as calendar events, weather updates, reminders, and more. It's a convenient way to get a snapshot of your day at a glance without having to open multiple apps. The Today view in macOS is designed to provide quick access to relevant information and updates throughout your day, helping you stay organized and informed without interrupting your workflow. Now, the second one is Shutter. Shutter app is a free macOS screenshot app with scrolling screenshot, OCR, annotation, and measurement instruments. It is also a tiny and fast Mac screenshot tool with annotations, scrolling screenshots, and cloud upload capabilities. Now, the third one is Command X app. So, the Command X app is an app that enhances the file management capabilities on macOS by enabling a true cut and paste functionality using Command plus X and Command plus V shortcuts. The app allows users to cut and paste files and folders directly in the Finder, similar to how it works in other operating systems. Normally, macOS only supports copy, Command plus P, and paste, Command plus V, requiring an additional step to move files, Option plus Command plus V. So, this app effectively streamlines file management on macOS by introducing a feature that users have traditionally found missing. Now, the fifth one is Quiet Reader app. Quiet Reader is a free Mac app that lets you read articles from your browser or text highlights from any app distraction free. They take away all the ads, notifications, tabs, and messy desktop so you can focus on what you are reading. Now, the sixth one is Alt Tab app. Alt Tab is a keyboard based Windows feature that brings Alt Tab to Mac user. So basically, by using this, you can efficiently navigate between and manage your open applications and windows on macOS, enhancing your overall workflow and productivity. Now on sixth, we have Sazam app. Sazam app is an app that recognizes music around you. It is the best way to discover, explore, and share the music you love. Sazam connects more than 1 billion people. Now on 7th we have Pure Paste. Pure Paste lets you paste as plain text by default. It sits in the menu bar and clears formatting, fonts, colors, bold, links, tables, etc. from the text you copy. However, it does not touch unrelated contents like files, images, etc. Now on last we have One Thing app. In One Thing app, you can put your most important task or goal in the menu bar. Its presence there will help remind you without being annoying. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.